The 2014 Honda Ridgeline. This four-door, five-passenger truck has just over 90,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, skid plates, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.